Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to generate or create a QR code for a WhatsApp group. Let's get started. Let's select a WhatsApp group like this one. What you need to do is tap on the group name at the top. On the group info page, if you are one of the admins or the creator of the group, you should see Invite to Group via link under Participants. Okay, so tap on that. Then you should have different options for inviting people via a link. Then you'll see the option for a QR code. Tap on that, and it will generate a QR code for your WhatsApp group. Now, you can either show people to scan it right away, or you can send it to other people. Just tap on the share icon at the top, and you can send it to your contacts. Alternatively, you can simply take a quick screenshot of the QR code and share it, so people can scan this QR code to access the group. If you share this QR code with people, and you don't want them to access your group with the QR code, again, you can just click on the three dots and select Reset QR Code, and a new QR code will be generated for you. That's how you can create a QR code for a WhatsApp group. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.